guys, I'm with Anna and Earth, and we're on the way to Avon's beauty tour here at World Trade Center. We're almost starting with the tour. Let's just stay here. Okay, so we're inside and we're checking out all the booths here in Avon.
My name is Tisha. I'm head of beauty, and this is Anna. She's head of fashion. So we'd like to welcome you to our amazing Avon event. So as you may know, Avon is celebrating 40 years in the industry this year. So we're very happy about celebrating 40 years. And also very proud to say that we are still the strong market leader in direct selling. And this is just like a taste or a flavor of why or the offerings that we give our customers so that they keep coming back to Avon.
We continue to create breakthroughs in various categories from fashion to beauty, even kids and home accessories. But this is a line for beauty, fashion, kids that lets people unleash their inner superheroes. So the products really inspire everyone.
And lastly, we are we'd like to again welcome you to Amazing Avon. We have the beauty and the fashion and home category teams to walk you through the booths and explain about the new products and the new brands. So we hope you enjoy.
Hey! So we're here at Avon Fashions Intimate and we're checking out their various lingerie and bras.
Welcome and feel free to go around the booth and experience our products. But before that, we prepared some Avon Fashions underwear for you. And we prepared some Avon Fashions products for you.
Oops, hi! Sorry.
You wanted the ano, diba? The other event. Favorite ko yung bill. Kasi it's so, category manager for fragrance. So, welcome to the Fragrance Fantasy Tunnel. The fragrance group is and Charm.
Wow.
We're here and we hope you experience and enjoy the #1 fragrance brands in the country, like Imari and Black Suede. We also have Sweet Honesty, our exciting fragrance spritzes like Bee Spritz and Sheer Passion, and our very lovable and beloved splashes such as Heaven Sent and Nina. So please come inside, enjoy, take lots of pictures, and find out why Avon is the #1 fragrance brand in the country.
Inside, so I'm really curious what's inside there. They've come a long way since I knew them. Dami ng bago lumabas. I used to handle Avon colors, if you don't know. So that's one of the brands that we were trying to put in before pa. So I'm happy that it's finally here.
We go inside? Okay, guys. Go wild. Go crazy.
Yay! Hi!
Welcome to the Mark booth.
Hi! So can you tell us more about Mark?
Okay, so Mark is a new brand. It's under Avon, and then it inspires you to create and make an impact. So we have lots of makeup here that can give you like endless choices of makeup looks. So you can go try it out and make your mark.
Wow, thank you! Hey! So we're finally checking out Mark. This is like the yuppie segment that used to be in Europe and US market lang. So now it's here. I'm very happy that they've brought it here. Mother Earth is enjoying. Yes. All the girls are enjoying.
My favorite booth.
Gusto mo talaga kami?
Hi! And our next booth to check out is this Avon Mars Ravelo Pinoy Comics Heroes. So puro merch siya ni March Ravelo. If you're into Filipino comics, be sure to check this out.
Super Comics. My name is Adit. I'm from the fashion and home category. Here we have a complete lineup of products for men and ladies, kids, girls and boys. So do check out our Darna and Captain Barbell concepts. We also have some games here. If you want to distress a bit, you can shoot some hoops. So here in the world of Pinoy Super Comics, you can shoot for the stars, hang out a bit, or be like your own superhero. So just feel free to look around and then shoot some hoops. You can win a prize if you shoot 3 balls within 1 minute.
Wow! What kind of prize? Go Earth! Yay!
Yay! We'll get it.
Wow, Darna Loungewear!
Yay!
I just won Darna Loungewear. You get to try to shoot 3 hoops in a minute and then you get to pick a prize. So akin na to. Kanina search nanalo siya ng Captain Marvel thingy. If you guys are into comics, be sure to check out the new Avon catalog. They have partnered with Mars Ravelo, and you can see Captain Marvel, you can see merch for Darna, you can see merch for...
Jirbie, ang ganda.
Ay, oo nga. Nice. Oh, this is the one that I got. Yay! Bagay kaya, guys. Char.
No watch.
Wow, Avon, level up na talaga.
Sakto sa ToyCon tomorrow.
Hi! Oh, wow, may lunchbox nga. Thank you!
Si Mayor.
This is from Kitchen Magic of Avon. So this is Avon Home. And where they have so much home stuff.
is our new brand. It's called Kitchen Magic. Gusto namin is cooking should be fun and easy. We want multifunctional tools and innovative tools for you to be able to cook fun and easy. It's like 6-in-1 kitchen prep set and stackable containers and this cute flower bowl. It's a bowl. Yeah, so very summer.
Okay.
One at a time lang.
One hat per person?
Yes, ma'am. Pili lang kayo ng isa.
Okay.
Para malaman natin kung panalo kayo. Sorry, ma'am.
Randomly, kasi may prize pa. I'm trying so hard to win a prize.
Let's see, ma'am.
Yui!
Fair and square.
So, ano guys natin? Yes, ma'am. Ito na po yun. Giveaways for the vloggers po. Thank you for playing po.
Salamat!
Tapos picturean ko
Yahoo! Oh, wow. Oh, wow, nice. So much fun so far. And now we are at Avon Naturals or Skincare.
Face care and body. And these are nature inspired. So we have several lines. We have papaya, which is our best-selling line. And we also have rose and pearl. And we have lime, cucumber. We have milk and honey, which is for nourishing. And then rose and violet. So our, as I mentioned, our best-selling line is papaya, particularly the hand and body lotion. So I'd like to invite you to enjoy our booth now. And I'd also like to invite you to play our mini game.
Wow!
So who wants to play?
Me! Everyone wants to play. Ring toss lang. And then, finish na. I got na. Thank you. And then you get to win my solar water. There! Hey, so we got to win this. I'm excited to try. Our next booth is here at Avon Skincare. Skin So Soft.
#1 whitening lotion. So what you'll be seeing later is actually the upgraded version of the lotion. So it's not yet in the market. So you'll be one of the first to experience it. So enjoy your
Wow! So here's
Mirror,
the new
mirror
Avon.
on the wall. Who's the whitest?
So that's the new Avon Skin So Soft. And we are in a very whimsical
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the whitest of them all? Not me. The transformative power of Avon Skin So Soft. Now with 4 times more glutathione to make.
Finally, we are checking out Avon Fashions with their fashion accessories.
So hi everyone, I'm Abby and I'm the Assistant Category Manager for Avon Accessories. So I am inviting you all to enjoy and have fun here at Avon Fashions booth. From day to night bags, get ready to check out our latest collection. Here in Avon Fashions, we offer you 3 advantages, namely fine quality, variety of designs, and value for money. Our bags and wallets are tested and have passed international standards for sturdy stitching and workmanship. So we also have bag designs that are multifunctional and practical, wherein you can really get your money's worth. And of course, we offer variety of designs that fit for every personality and occasion. So Avon Accessories got you covered. So we have free gifts for all of you.
Wow, thank you.
Feel free and just around.
Oh, wow. Are you gonna play?
Yes, ma'am.
Play na.
Yeah. Ah! There's my winning ball. Thank you for having us.
With all of your goodies.
Yay!
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. So yes, that's all for today. We've finished the event. We've got around World Trade sa iba-ibang booth ng Avon, and we were introduced to the new products of Avon, especially this one. Mars Travelo's collaboration with Avon. I think that's the first in Avon. And then, of course, my favorite, Avon Colors Mark. This was the one that we've been trying to lobby when I was still with Avon. So that was like 5 to 6 years ago, which is really big because they finally brought it here. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. Here are the prices that I got. Medyo marami. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!